Hello, my name is Kevin. If you can get 2,000 won for 1 week, what do you want to do? If I can use 2,000 won for 1 week, I will do these 2 things and give 2 reasons to support my opinion. First, I will donate poor people because I can help many people to get homes and get many things like stickers or badge. Last, I can feel proud of myself. Second, I will buy many lotteries because I can make money for buying lotteries and I can be a billionaire if I win a lottery. Also, I can feel about lotteries happiness. In conclusion, I will use money for donate and lotteries if I can get 2,000 won for 1 week. Thank you for listening.